Before doing anything, follow these instructions. First thing you do is open the control access panel. This is the temperature dial. This should be on low. And this is the gas control knob. Push in this gas control knob and turn it to off. Wait about 5 minutes to clear out any gas. This is simple. Turn this from off to pilot. Push it in. Turn it counterclockwise. Off to pilot. Press in button to make sure you hear the gas. Once you hear that, you light it. After a minute, it should stay lit. You release the button. If your pilot light is still lit after releasing the button, go ahead and turn the gas control knob counterclockwise from pilot to on. Finally, turn the temperature dial to on. Now you can close the control access panel. That's it.